E-Maths class, Fatima Convent High School. Myself, Dipali. Chapter 8, Quadrilaterals, Standard 9th. In this session, we are going to solve question number 10, 11 and 12 of exercise 8.1. Example 10. We have ABCD is a parallelogram and AP and CQ are perpendicular from the vertices A and C on diagonal BD shown in the figure. Triangle APB is congruent to CQD, that is what we are supposed to prove. And second, we have to prove AP is equal to CQ. Very simple and easy way we can prove this. Number 10. First, let us draw the diagram. We have diagonal BD, so we label it as A, B, C and D, and perpendicular from A at point P and perpendicular from C at point Q. Now here, first one, in triangle APB and triangle CQD, angle APB is equal to angle CQD because each is 90 degrees. AB is equal to CD, they are opposite sides of parallelogram, and angle ABP is equal to angle CDQ. They are alternate angles of AB parallel to CD and transversal BD. So now we can say therefore triangle APB is equal to triangle CQD by AAS congruency. Now second one is obviously understood that triangle APB is congruent to triangle CQD, that is already proved. Therefore AP is equal to CQ by CPCT. So result 1 and result 2 are proved. Now question number 11. In triangle ABC and DEF, AB is equal to DE and AB is parallel to DE. BC is equal to EF and BC is parallel to EF. Vertices AB and C are joined at vertices DE and F respectively. We have to prove quadrilateral A, BED is a parallelogram, quadrilateral. BEFC is a parallelogram. AD is parallel to CF and AD is equal to CF, quadrilateral. ACFD is a parallelogram and AC is equal to DF, and triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. This is what we are supposed to prove. Now let us draw the diagram first. We have two triangles . Now here it is A, B, C and D, E, F. If I join this and we have triangle A, B, C and triangle D, E, F. Now this is what we are joining here, this is what we are joining here, and C to E. So we get a diagram like this way. Now first thing we have to prove is AB ED is a quadrilateral parallelogram. Now we know that AB is equal to DE, which is given to us, and AB is parallel to DE, that is also given to us. Therefore, quadrilateral ABED has one pair of opposite side equal and parallel. Therefore, quadrilateral ABED is a parallelogram. Now we have second, again BC is equal to EF is given to us, and BC is parallel to EF, that also is given to us. So likewise, quadrilateral BEFC is or has one pair of opposite sides equal and parallel. Therefore, quadrilateral BEFC is a parallelogram. Now third one, we have ABED is a parallelogram. Therefore, AD is parallel to BE and AD is equal to BE, and same way BE is parallel to CF and BE is equal to CF, that is second. From 1 and 2, we have AD parallel to CF and AD equal to CF. Now, fourth result, AD is parallel to CF and AD is equal to CF. Therefore, quadrilateral ACFD is a parallelogram as stated above with the above reason. Now, same way ACFD is a parallelogram. Therefore, AC is equal to DF. They are opposite sides of parallelogram. And sixth one, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. We have AB equal to DE and BC is equal to EF. This both are given to us. And AC is equal to DE, that is already proved. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by SSS congruency. So that was question number 10 and question number 11. Thank you for now.